Hello everyone! This is me again. Welcome to my vlog.
Everyone, I'm back to my channel. So, this time I'm gonna be making the second part, which is Maleficent. This is Maleficent. Cutie. So, it's just gonna add up to my collection, to my display. So, there. Let's make it. There's two bags for this one. And more on purple. So let's spread it. That way we can easily find the pieces. So let's make Maleficent. There. It has 49 or 47 pages to make it. So let's start. So this is the part 2 because the first one is Cruella de Vil. So this time it's Maleficent. So I got my remover, Lego remover, so I can easily remove the parts if I got it wrong. So okay, let's start. So this one is Maleficent, and Maleficent is from Sleeping Beauty. She cursed. What's the name of Sleeping Beauty? Aurora. She's at the movie, like Angelina Jolie. The Maleficent is in love with the king, but the king betrayed her. So she got mad and then took revenge to Aurora. So but still it's a bad thing to curse someone, and she forgave the king because she took care of Aurora. So that's nice. Oh, it's upside down. 40 pages to go. I always like every Disney movies or Disney princess movies. I don't know. It's like it's like back to your childhood thing, and it's nice. because I love my childhood. I did went to every uh, changes on the generation. I'm a 90s kid, so I grew up from the 90s where the technology is starting to, you know, improve. So I just love it. Oh, I have to put the pieces first. Sorry. Let's put the pieces first. Cute, it's purple. Oh, this is what I'm saying. Spread out the pieces so you'll easily find the piece that you need. Hear that ASMR. Cute. Oh, there's this piece. Let's look for that piece, like with the sticker. Where's that? This one. Cute. It's in the box. It's a special piece for this set. So let's put this one here, where it belongs. No, guys, I'm just waiting to finish this and then I'm gonna make another one. Because I still have lots to make. Because whenever I go to the mall and I see something new, because every month, Lego releases new sets. So every time I see something interesting, I buy. But not like everything that's new, only on the sets that I'm just interested. So all the others naman is nice and it's cute, but it's not what I'm collecting. It's not part of my collection. But if I'm not that picky, or I'm not how to say it, a collector thing, I would probably buy every sets of Lego that I see, because it's all cute and it's all interesting to build. But there's this part of me that uh I just want the Lego or the sets that I just collect. So I'm sticking to that. No, so some of the Lego sets are very expensive, but it's very nice to build. More challenge to build it, but of course, I only want what I want. So, and it's these things that I'm making. So, yeah. And Corey knows that I'm collecting Lego. So, it's very much supportive on my collection, especially to me. On our hobbies, we're not stopping, or we're not asking any of us to stop collecting. As long as he wants it and I want it, and it's on the budget, like it's not that pricey. Yeah, we take it, we buy it. But of course, we have savings too. So we just don't just buy. We talk about it before we buy something. So it's a mutual decision. Cute. It's a light Lego piece. It's cute. Almost done. And almost done. Because it's more than half. Here's that piece, this one. And then, okay, I found it. Cute purple thing. Almost done. There you go. Done with this. Cute. So here's Maleficent, and it's very cute. There. So guys, this is Maleficent, all purple and black, and tail. So there. So thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.